Hi guys, welcome to P4 PUBG channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the crash error or the error coming in the PUBG PC Lite. As I have uploaded a video how to play PUBG PC Lite in all countries using a Garena. So I am going to fix that issue. The issue is coming from the proxy fires. So you have to just follow my steps as I am doing, and all the error will go on. So just open the proxy fire and click on disable, apply, okay, then close it. Now one more step you have to do, close it from the tray. Then we have to change our PC time zone to then you have to change your PC time zone to Bangkok as I'm doing. Now select your time zone region to Bangkok, Jakarta. After selecting this, close it. Now whenever you want to play PUBG PC Lite, you have to first run the proxy fire, then Garena, then only it will work, because proxy fire change your IP address to the Thailand server. If you have any problem, please comment. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, comment, like.